Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to walk you through proper use of a Chemex. So first you want to take your filter, and you want the folded part to be toward the spout itself, so towards the front. Next you'll just take your hot water kettle, and I like to pour water in there first. This gets the Chemex warm, as well as removing any of that paper taste from the filter itself. So you'll see that there's some hot water in the bottom there, so you'll want to go pour that out. It just makes your coffee taste better when the Chemex is hot and not sitting there cold or room temperature. So now that that water is poured out, I'm going to pour in my coffee grounds. I just ground these up, and you want a little more coarse ground. It's just the proper use for a pour over. I like to put about 6 big tablespoons of coffee grounds in there, make a nice strong coffee. And then you can start your first pour. You'll want to pour more towards the middle, and this allows the coffee grounds to kind of seep in properly. And with your first pour, you'll want to go get a stir stick and stir the water combination and coffee grounds just to make sure there's no lumps in there. Look at that technique, it's wonderful. So you'll let the first pour sit for about 45 seconds until you start your second pour, so I'm going to do that right here. So here's the second pour. And for the second pour, I like to use like a wiggle motion, I call it. This just allows the coffee grounds to combine properly with the water itself. I'm kind of going in a circular motion. So you'll let this sit for 45 seconds again. So I'm going to set my timer. For the last pour, you'll just want to empty out your kettle and fill your filter up to the top. And then we're going to let this sit for about 4 minutes for a proper brew to happen. So we're back. Our brew is done. I'm going to toss this coffee filter out. And you can see I am working from home. Look at that great attire. Isn't that awesome? But now we have a freshly roasted cup of coffee that you'll be excited to try. And this Chemex just allows all the flavors to shine through. So I hope you enjoy, and cheers.